Hi everybody, this is Philip Saruni from Saruni Digital Media, and guys, Mutahi Kahiga is really trending. Now, Nyeri Governor Mutahi Kahiga has sparked outrage for making controversial remarks seen as politicizing and mocking the death of former Prime Minister Raila Odinga. Yani baada ya Wakenya wote kumomboleza aliyekuwa waziri mkuu Raila Odinga, now Kahiga, he seems like celebrating the death of former Prime Minister. Hizi ndo maneno alisema. Na ilikuwa alisema kwa lugha ya Kikuyu, but someone has translated. Now he's saying like this, You guys can see, what had been planned by God brought something up. Now it's a total confusion. Everybody can see that. We did not harbor hate for anyone, but God came through for us. Because the plan that had been hatched, if you look keenly, for who did not travel because I was in that region. Now he's talking about Nyanza region. All goodies were being directed there because of tomorrow's plans. Because it seemed like they did away with us. But God came and brought this thing. Which thing? Now the thing that we have experienced is the death of Prime Minister Raila Odinga. Sasa anasema Mount Kenya, they are not receiving those state resources because they are being directed to the Nyanza region. And now, the death of Prime Minister Raila Odinga imefanya sasa wataanza kupokea zile state resources. Mutahi Kahiga. Nasema now Mlima Kenya wataanza kupokea zile state resources kwa maana Raila Odinga has died. And now Nyanza region hawakutakuwa na mtetezi. Mutahi Kahiga. So now people had been told to go back to the drawing board, because the plan that was there was probably to throw us out. But who is God? Does he take ugali at somebody's house or sleep in Kayole? He came through in his own way. He saw up there people in heaven are disagreeing a lot and came for Baba so that he can go and smoothen things up there. Ingekuwa wewe ungemwambia Gavana Mutahi Kahiga nini? If it was you, ungemhandle Mutahi Kahiga namna gani? Tell us in your comment section. See you guys.